Hey guys, what's happening? How to create a calendar on Airtable. Okay, so first of all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able, if you're new to Airtable, you just start with a simple template, right? And hit content calendar, right? Or if you want to explore more different templates, you can just go ahead and explore. Just type calendar, right? You can see social media calendar template, editorial calendar template, AI content calendar template, and different stuff basically. So in my case, I'm gonna go ahead to already existing base, which is content calendar, right? And you can see right here the first day, stay up to date with your content, okay? And if you want to create a calendar for, let's say, Tuesday, you gotta just hit the plus button, basically write the details exactly, like what's gonna happen that day, and the due date, status, live, in progress, on hold, reviews, whatever. Okay, planning, in the subheadline, creator, and if you want more support, or if you want to support the file, right, with the file of image, you can just go ahead and do it. And if you want to add channels to back that up, just go ahead and hit the plus button, right? Blog, email, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, AdWords, whatever. Okay, so basically you're gonna start with the headline, the due date, status, right? If it's currently or maybe it's gonna happen near in the future. Headline, of course, in the subheadline if you want to add it. In the creator, if you have a team, you're gonna select the people for that day, right? Other than you. And the image just to back that up, right? So people can see, what's gonna happen that day, and the channels, okay? But essentially, you're gonna add a tag or a platform, essentially, right? To make you or other people focused on targeting that platform, okay? Or targeting this platform. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.